We spend up to 2/3 of our lives at home, yet rarely give thought to indoor air. We breathe in up to 9,000 litres of air within the home each day, compared to our average daily food and drink intake of just 2.7 litres. However, the quality of air inside our homes can be polluted through a lack of ventilation and a toxic mix of mould, condensation and certain cleaning products, household items and building materials, affecting around 65% of homes in the UK. Polluted homes can contain up to 900 dangerous particles in the air and can be up to 50 times more polluted than outside. Indoor pollution is linked to health conditions such as skin irritation, asthma and breathing difficulties, as well as heart disease and lung cancer. Levels of indoor air pollution can be reduced through effective home ventilation systems which help to remove polluted air and replace it with clean, fresh air. Take action now to improve your ventilation and protect your family's health within your home.